teacher. My name is Ryan Ander Peña Manchay. Uh, Hello, everyone. Welcome to video. Last summer, I visited a beautiful site of Cusco. It was an amazing experience. Today, I want to tell you about the tourist attraction of this site. Uh, the activities you can do, the place you can visit, the food you can eat, the things you can buy. Let's start. Part one. What do you can in Cusco? In Cusco, there are many activities you can do. You can walk around this city and take beautiful photos because its streets are very old and traditional. You can visit the Manis Square where there are many people and many restaurants. You can also go on tours. Uh, Three are tours into mountains, tours to small towns, and tours are famous. Please, if you like adventure, you can hike, ride a bike, or explore nature. The mountains are incredibly, and the ways are beautiful. If if you want something calm, you relax. In cafes, there are many cafes where you can drink coffee, a snack, enjoy water. Um, Part two. What do you can see and eat? At Cusco, there are a lot of things to see. There are of tourists, colorful, co- colorful markets, beautiful string and bag mountain everywhere. You con Aslo see llamas and is alpacas. Uh, they are very and money tourists stay ponds with them. You can visit famous places like Sacsayhuaman and Kiracancha. These places are very important in Peru history. Um, Cusco, hazlo delicious food. You can lomo saltado, ají de gallina, pollo a la brasa, and every cuy, and even cuy, you want to try something different. You can drink coca. Yeah, it is very popular in Cusco. I heard why the altitude. There are many things you can buy too. You can buy the hammock, clothes, bag, hats, souvenir, and traditional craft. There I love makers with colorful items and good price. Uh, Thank you for watching my video. Is Cusco. Cusco is a wonderful city, many things to see and delicious food and to enjoy. I hope you can visit and eat on that. Bye, teacher. Thank you.